10 facts about the spiritual realm. 1. Rolling calf can be found in Maypen Cemetery in Kingston. 2. Feeling chills indicate the presence of a powerful demon. A demon who makes you feel warm isn't as powerful. 3. There are people who worship the marine kingdom who keep mermaids in the pools at their houses. Those mermaids are called domestic mermaids who they personally appease to gain financial wealth. 4. Sometimes spirits leave the cemetery and travel to different locations. 5. When a deceased person enters your dreams, unless you have a gift for seeing them, they bring news of death. Don't take anything from them. 6. If you see a duppy of a child, that's 100% a demon. 7. A duppy can attach itself to you, or someone can set it in your life to torment you. 8. When you pray, repent for the sins of you and your ancestors to break generational curses in your bloodline. 9.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
Imaginary friends are actually spirits and demons who show themselves to children to gain access and influence their lives. 10. If you drink consecrated olive oil and it burns, or if you rub it on your skin and it burns, that means that it is removing a dark presence, and you should immediately go into deep prayer. A deep prayer step by step is in the link in my bio. Check out the playlist below.